If you don't have compatible CAM, you can still update your inventory items. It will just take a couple of additional steps. First, make sure you're in the Item View panel under the material unit you would like to update. At the bottom of the panel, click the Add Jobs button. When the pop-up window appears, select the option to search jobs from VPanel. Next, select your DWX device. Then, select a time frame to view jobs for your selected device and click the Search button. All completed jobs will be visible, along with the time and date of completion, the job ID, and the percentage of usage. If a material has been assigned to another item in your inventory, there will be a CAM ID displayed in the list. Select jobs by clicking on the checkbox at the right side of the job. Once you have selected jobs for the material item, click on the Add button at the bottom left side of the pop-up window. All added jobs will be visible in the Item View screen along with updates to the total percentage of usage from all completed jobs.